Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make yogurt drink. Heat milk to scalding, cool to warm, stir in starter, and transfer to an insulated container to incubate. I'll walk you through simple ratios, timing, and flavoring tips so you get creamy, tangy results at home. This friendly guide keeps the steps clear and doable, whether you're a total beginner or refining your homemade yogurt drink technique today. Start by gathering milk, yogurt starter, a thermometer, a whisk, and an insulated container or slow cooker. I'll suggest exact milk to starter ratios and show how to keep temperatures steady for several hours without fuss. You'll see how small tools and precise timing make a big difference in creaminess and tang. I'll also cover easy flavoring ideas you can add after fermentation to personalize your. I'll guide you through scalding milk, cooling it to the proper incubation temperature, and blending in starter without overmixing. You'll learn how long to keep the jar warm for optimal culture growth and when to move it to the fridge to set. Follow my timing cues and texture checks to know when it's ready. Finally, I'll show simple chilling and blending tricks that create a smooth, refreshing yogurt drink you'll want daily.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.